Hi everybody, welcome to VHS Academy and I hope all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss the topic of one question, how to answer tell me about yourself. It is one of the most frequently asked questions in all the interviews. Okay, and if you have a proper scripted answer for this question, there will be 80% chance that you can be selected in the job, because if you represent yourself properly, there is a high chance that interviewer can be impressed and you can have a good understanding. Okay okay why we choose this topic today? Because every one of us have faced some struggles to this question when an interviewer asks it, and we come out of some silly answers. Okay, and we struggle to answer it. So today we will get a good understanding of what is this all about, why interviewer ask about tell me about yourself, and what he wants to know about you. So let's start. And what are the topics that we are going to cover today is, these are the three things that we are going to cover. First one is what the interviewer wants to hear from your answer, and the second is the three things you must include in your response, and third is example of a scripted answer you can use. There will be one scripted answer which I will give you a definition and example by which you can understand how you can introduce yourself to a interviewer, so that you can give a maximum capacity, you can represent your maximum capacity to him. Okay, let's start. See, many people struggle because when the interviewer asks a question, tell me about yourself, and they start from, sir, my name is this, and I am from here, I am from there, and my father is a businessman, whatever, some sort of things which everybody knows as a small list where you will introduce about yourself, your father name, mother name, your job title, this all. But it's nothing. It's nothing to do with your the question that he asked. The interviewer just wants to know what are the skills that he requires. He don't require anything about your personal affairs. He just wants to know the skills that you have, what, and the simple things that is, you are marketing yourself to the person who required something. Okay, and you have to show that you have that skills that he requires and he want to appoint you. Okay, so let's see what is the interviewer wants to hear from your answer. He wants to know the skills and the qualities you have are the match for the roles you have been interviewed. It is not your personal affair or your condition or anything else, but he just wants to know in your skills are matchable for you the role that you are going to appoint it to. It's simple. It's an introduction of the self means. Okay, I think you understand. The basic thing is you have to represent your skill, you have to represent your efficiency, you have to represent your strengths. What are your strength? What is your efficiency? What are the skills that you have to accomplish the role that he is going to appoint you? That's the simple thing that you have to showcase in the introduction of yourself. Okay. Now I think you have properly understood what the interviewer wants to hear from your answer, and by this you can properly prepare your self introduction. Now what are the three major points that you have to mention in your self introduction is, first one is your qualifications, your skills, and the last one is your strength. Your qualification, you don't have to mention your matrix, all that. You have to particularly mention about the graduation you have completed, on from which subject you have completed the graduation. If you have any extra certification, you can discuss about that also, but remember a thing, you only discuss those qualifications that are relevant to the job which you are appointed, which you are going to be selected for. Only relevant to the specific job. The qualification should be according to the what I mentioned is the job which you are going to select it. Okay, and next is the skills. You have to properly list the skills that you have. It may be the computer skills, it may be your skills of EHS trainings, whatever skills you have to properly mention those skills in the self introduction. And the last one is the strength. You have to properly uh, give a proper representation of your strength, what advantages you have, so that the interviewer can get the knowledge about your efficiency in the work. These are the 3 points that you have to mostly include in your self introduction. Always remember, when you are preparing a scripted list of self introduction, always keep the 3 points in your mind. These are the very key things which interviewer always look upon. Okay, let's have some scripted self introduction, which some I have prepared a simple scripted example for this. First, let's have, if an interviewer asks me a question, introduce about yourself, what I am going to say. First, I will tell about myself. Who am I? I will say, so I am Sharatar Shetty, and I am from this place, and I completed my graduation from this subject, from this college, and I have this type of certifications and qualifications. And you can mention the year also. It's a no problem if you mention the year. And the third point, you will directly go for your job. I have been working as a EHS profession since this year, and I have accomplished many projects as a EHS lead. And you can say that you can list those projects in the resume, and you can say that the listed projects are represented in my resume. And next, you can go on saying about the awards. You got the awards, what are the accomplishment you did, what are the implementation you did in the work site, what you achieved. For example, if I told that I have achieved 0.5 million safe man hours in my site, you can mention all the things that you have done and what you have accomplished in the previous jobs. You can tell about that. And the next step will be, you will go for your skills. What are the skills that you can tell that I have good communication skills. Then you can represent your communication skills by having one story representation of that. Then you can come to a next will be the strength. What is your strength? You can tell like, I can manage tough situation and come up through a good problem solving skills. You can have like this type of things that you can include in your self introduction. Mostly what he will see is, what are the things that you have accomplished, what is the qualification that is relevant to the job, and the third is, what is the strength that makes you different from other candidates. This is the simple things that a self introduction requires. If you give a proper self introduction, it's enough for you. Will then if you ask some other questions also, it will be very useful for your selection if you got a good introduction about yourself. So this is one example I will discuss about you. If one person asks, tell me about yourself, here is a scripted answer. I have been working as an management assistant to the general manager for just 3 years. This type of scripted answer you have to prepare by keeping the 3 points in the mind, that is your qualification, skills, and strength. I think by this video you have got some knowledge about how to have a proper self introduction, and what are the things that interviewer wants to hear from you. He don't wants to hear your stuffs, your personal stuffs. He want to hear only about the skills and the strength that you have. And it's just a simple fact, it's a marketing. You are marketing yourself. There is some demand, and you have some skills that he wants. It's just a demand and supply thing. Okay. And I think this much is enough. And thanks for being with me, and please subscribe and like our channel. Thanks.